Hello everyone, I'm Manapriti. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good, you are healthy and smiling today. So, today's topic is something personal, I can say. It's about insecurities. And I don't see insecurities as weakness, I rather see it as a strong point from which I can learn. uh, like we live in a society, we live in a world where we think about people and whose opinions do matter to us, जिनके ओपिनियंस और भी ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है हमारे लाइफ में। वो जो चार लोग की बातें हमें अफेक्ट तो करती हैं, for which we often think things like I'm not confident, or she has better life than mine, or she has better clothes, let's say, and I don't feel I'm confident in my skin tone, or I feel I'm less pretty. So these things often come to our mind, or let's say come to my mind, and for all these scenarios we seek for validation. आप मानो या ना मानो, पर ऐसे होता है कि मेरे लिए तो ऐसे होता है, आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल कैन रिलेट टू इट, कि कोई एक तारीफ़ हमारे मूड को लिफ्ट अप कर दे, हमारा दिन बना दे. Instead of running away from our insecurities, instead of blaming or taking it as a negative force, we can befriend them, we can extend our friendly hands toward them, because comparison is a trap. I know, even if I say it, I do compare my life with others. Even if I know I am doing quite good in my life, I have improved myself in many terms, but still I tend to scroll on Instagram and compare my life with others, saying okay, they are doing so much better than me, they have they have happening life, more happening life than mine. उनका क्लोथ कितना अच्छा है, उनका स्टाइल कितना अच्छा है, उनका करियर कितना अच्छा है, उनका ट्रैवल कितना अच्छा है. So we do compare things, and we cannot run away from them, because I feel that's how we are engineered to, that's how we are designed to, that's why we are called as humans. क्योंकि हम जब दूसरों से कंपेयर करते हैं, we stop appreciating our lives, we stop appreciating what we already have and who we already are. Rather, we can channelize it towards learning. Like if I feel that she is better than me, or her life is better than mine, then I should learn to take some good points from her and include it or incorporate it in my life. Let's say if she has a good travel history, if she is going to different places, then I can also do it. She's a girl, she has equal set of challenges, she has to take permission from her parents, she has to make different kind of excuses, then why can't I? तो हम कुछ गुड पॉइंट्स उनके लाइफ से ले सकते हैं और उनसे सीख सकते हैं. व्हाट आई मेंट टू से, वी कैन चेंज आवर कंपैरिजन, or we can make a shift of mindset, we can change this comparison to a curiosity, we can tend to learn good things from them. That is point number one. And second thing that helps me a lot is self-talking, or start appreciating the small achievements that I have achieved till now, and that really helps me, that works really good for me, and I think it will work for you as well. आप खुद से बात करो, खुद को याद दिलाओ कि क्या अचीवमेंट्स है जो आप अब तक पा चुके हो, and that you are proud of, and when you talk about it, or when you think of it, you feel really proud of yourself, or while sharing it to your friends, you feel that कि हाँ, ये आपके लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा हुआ है. तो ये जो सेल्फ टॉकिंग है ना, ये बहुत हेल्प करता है आपको इनसिक्योरिटीज़ से दूर करने के लिए, इनसिक्योरिटीज़ से दूर रखने के लिए, और आपको अपने लाइफ को अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए. And the third thing, as I have already said, we do live in a society, we do care about those opinions and those चार लोग और उनके opinions भी. पर हमें ये याद रखना है, वी आर नॉट हियर टू फिट इन। ऑफ कोर्स सोसाइटी विल डिक्टेट यू कि आप यहाँ पे फिट हो जाओ, आप ऐसे आइडियाज़ रखो, आप ऐसे कपड़े पहनो और आप ये करो, बट वी आर नॉट हियर टू, वी आर नॉट मेड टू फिट इन। वी शुड create our own box. Your song must be your own. You can, like, somebody cannot ask you to sing this way or that way. Make your own song and sing whatever way you feel like singing it. And ज़िंदगी कोई रेडीमेड बॉक्स नहीं है, हमें वो बॉक्स को बनाना है, हमें वो स्पेस को बनाना है, हमें अपने लिए रिस्पेक्ट अर्न करना है, लेकिन उससे पहले आपको अपने लिए रिस्पेक्ट अर्न करना पड़ेगा। अपने मन में अपने लिए रिस्पेक्ट लाओ कि मैं किस चीज़ में अच्छी हूँ, what are the like good qualities that I feel I have, and what are the good things that I think are better than others. तो ये सब कुछ छोटे छोटे चीज़ें हैं, you can note it down or you can talk to yourself and you can do meditation, you can think like you can start thinking good things about you. Just sit in a quiet place and close your eyes and start thinking what are the good things that you feel you are best at. So yeah, these are some things that really help you to come out of your insecurities. Let me give you an example of my life. I was always told that I'm an average student, and I feel that I used to be an average student in school, but yeah, people often say कि कुछ नहीं कर पाएगी, आप इसको ये करा दीजिए। होता है ना, like when you do not do really good at academics, you do not excel at some point of your life, people come and say, some give good suggestions, some are there who give opinions like आप इसको ये करा दीजिए, ऐसे से easy होगा, वो करा दीजिए, ये उसके लिए difficult होगा। And there was one point of my life where I started having self doubt, जहाँ पे मैं खुद से भरोसा मेरा उठ चुका था कि मैं कुछ सही में कुछ कर पाऊँगी या नहीं। Then I started thinking of good things that I have. I started thinking of good qualities that I have that like according to me other people lack. तो ऐसे करके I think I managed it well. I managed to overcome my insecurities. And हाँ, तब कुछ अलग set of insecurities थे, अभी कुछ अलग set of insecurities हैं, तो ये तो रहेंगे। That's why I said let's befriend them. उसको दोस्त बना लेते हैं और फिर उसको हम अपने दूसरे और चैनलाइज करेंगे जहाँ पे अपना ग्रोथ हो पाए, जहाँ पे हमें लगता है कि हम इस चीज़ में अच्छे नहीं हैं, ठीक है, हम इम्प्रूव कर लेंगे, अच्छे बन जाएंगे। A poem in class 9 that I read back in class 9th. I also teach to the students. It's the topic is Wind by Subramanya Bharati. From the outset of the poem you will feel like it's about nature, but when you read the lines carefully, it basically talks about how wind breaks the weak and strengthens the strong. वो कैसे एक weak को break करता है और फायर जो एक स्ट्रेंथ का सिम्बॉलिज्म है उसको और फ्यूरियस बनाता है। दैट्स हाउ आवर लाइफ इज़। अगर प्रॉब्लम्स से हम डर जाएंगे, अगर इनसिक्योरिटीज़ से हम डर जाएंगे, सो इट विल ब्रेक अस। वी थिंक ऑफ ideas, or if we think of ways how to overcome it, we can really be happy with our insecurities. And before ending the video, let me clear it out. I'm not a certified counselor, but I talk to the students, I talk to these young minds who face various challenges, and these are from my personal experiences also. So yeah, that's all I could talk about. That's how I could talk about insecurities. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please, if you like the video, then put the like button and subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Thank you. Bye bye.